This process documents the deployment of desktop applications through Ivanti Cloud using executable installation files. Use the App Distribution App Configurations page to view existing app distribution configurations or create a new one. Click Add to add the application configuration options. Enter your application name to identify it within the system. Install Once allows to install the application once. If the app is installed correctly, it will not be reinstalled. There is a default system Install Once configuration that is non-editable but can be used. Always required to be installed ensures the application is always available on the system. Each time the app distribution engine runs, it installs this app. Use this for important apps that you want to always be available. If an app is always required to be installed and a user uninstalls it, the app will be reinstalled automatically. Click Only Make Available in App Portal to limit the application's availability exclusively to the portal. Do not display in portal and always display in portal options control if the app appears in the portal when it is deployed. The default behavior is for apps not to display in the portal. Click Save to apply all configuration changes for the application distribution. Click here to open additional options related to the selected user profile. Click Edit to edit the configuration settings. Rename to change the configuration name. Click Clone to duplicate the current application configuration for reuse or modification. Delete to remove the configuration. App distribution works especially well with applications that require customized detection and installation steps. App distribution leverages Ivanti's advanced distribution technologies such as peer download and bandwidth throttling.